Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to fix Discord not opening on PC. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To resolve issues with Discord, start by clearing cache data. Open the Start menu, search for Run, and click the Run icon. In the dialog box, type %appdata% and press Enter. This will open a folder where you should locate the Discord folder. Inside, find the folders named Cache, Code Cache, and GPU Cache. Right-click each one and select the trash icon to delete them. If an error message appears saying the folders can't be deleted, it means Discord is running in the background. To fix this, press Ctrl+ Alt+ Delete to open the Task Manager, search for Discord in the list, right-click it, and select End Task. Go back to the folder and try deleting the caches again. Don't worry about deleting these folders as Discord will regenerate them when relaunched. If deleting the cache doesn't work, try running Discord as an administrator. Go to your desktop, find the Discord shortcut, right-click it, and select Properties. In the Properties window, go to the Compatibility tab. Check the boxes for Disable Full Screen Optimizations and Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply and OK to save these settings. If issues persist, check for corrupt or missing system files. Open the Start menu, search for CMD, right-click on Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type sfcscanno and press Enter. This command will scan your system for corrupt or missing files and attempt to repair them, which may take a few minutes. Next, ensure that your firewall isn't blocking Discord. Open the Start menu, search for Windows Defender, and select Windows Defender Firewall. On the left, click Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Click Change Settings, then Allow another app. Click Browse and navigate to the location of the Discord app. If you're unsure of the location, go back to your desktop, right-click the Discord shortcut, and select Open File Location. Copy the folder path and paste it into the Browse dialog. Select the Discord executable file, click Add, and make sure both private and public are checked. Click OK to save the changes. If these steps don't resolve the issue, you may need to perform a clean installation of Discord. If problems persist, feel free to leave a comment and I'll do my best to assist you further. So that's basically how to fix Discord not opening on PC. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.